Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing a clear niche and reason. Backpacks for commuters, totes for shoppers, or leather goods for premium sales. Once decided, allocate a starter budget and open a business account. This keeps money clean. Next, secure the basics. Legal name, EIN if required, and simple bookkeeping. You'll also draft one product, sketch specs, and request 1-2 samples from manufacturers so you can test materials and pricing before scaling. Act now to turn plans into a real prototype. Now you lock in production. Contact several suppliers, order samples, and compare minimum order quantities, lead times, and quality. Once you pick a maker, negotiate pricing and a small pilot run to validate costs. Meanwhile, set up a basic inventory system, a spreadsheet or low-cost app, with SKUs, reorder points, and buffer stock. Make sure to calculate landed cost per unit including shipping, duty, and packaging so your pricing covers margins and prevents surprise losses. You launch with one clean sales channel and simple marketing tests to learn customer response. Run small ads or influencer samples and measure conversion. Once you get orders, collect feedback, tweak design or materials, and plan a second, larger run informed by real data. If things go wrong, focus your troubleshooting. Check pricing versus cost, improve photos, simplify checkout, and verify shipping times. Keep iterating. Each improvement compounds, and that discipline cycle is what turns a small bag project.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.